Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't even matter or that you don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for Multilotto right now, and share a few key things about each one that actually matter. That way, you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research document for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The top 3 VPN services for Multilotto and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Multilotto. Why? First off, it works flawlessly with Multilotto's platform. Pretty important, right? Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, stable connection, zero packet loss, plus excellent download and upload speeds to keep your gaming smooth and your access seamless. Features? It's packed with the most features of any VPN. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. Everything's there to keep your Multilotto sessions safe and uninterrupted. Pricing and support? Super affordable for what it offers, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there so your Multilotto account and data stay private and secure. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty cheap for what you get. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. The second best VPN for Multilotto is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed? Incredibly fast, with consistently low latency, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just a smooth, secure experience while playing Multilotto. Features? All the essentials you need, plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only Multilotto through the VPN or the opposite. Pricing and support? One of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than most, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, nope. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? AES 256, the best you can get. Negatives? It's based in the US, which is a Five Eyes country, so privacy nerds get nervous. But their no log audit holds up. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for reliable Multilotto use and great value. Third best for Multilotto is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Offers a massive server network and the most customization of the three. Speed? Very good. The huge network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby for smooth gameplay and Multilotto access. Features? Loaded. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch tech, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, plus the app's not as clean or polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best choice if you're on a budget, but want a massive network and advanced features for your Multilotto experience. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Multilotto: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on their colors or logos, you'll be just fine. They all work perfectly with Multilotto. Quick recap to close out if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best all-around VPN for Multilotto, with a premium experience, lots of features, and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Multilotto VPN that's amazing value for the price. Choose PIA if you're on a budget but still want a solid VPN for Multilotto with a massive network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste time. I put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one and drop a comment telling me which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.